Welcome back to the Digital Millionaire Club, the channel where we unlock the secrets to financial freedom and building wealth online. If you're an entrepreneur looking to create streams of passive income, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into the top 5 passive income ideas that can help you earn money while you sleep. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, these strategies are designed to set you up for long-term success. So, let's jump right in and start building that passive income empire. Here are the top 5 passive income ideas for entrepreneurs. 1. Create and sell digital products. Examples: ebooks, online courses, templates, software, stock photos. Why it works: once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly with little to no additional work. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to reach a global audience. 2. Affiliate marketing. How it works: promote other companies' products or services through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media, and earn a commission on sales generated through your referral links. Why it works: with a large audience, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of income, especially in niches like technology, finance, and lifestyle. 3. Real estate investments. Options: rental properties, REITs, real estate investment trusts, crowdfunding platforms. Why it works: real estate can provide consistent cash flow through rental income, while also appreciating over time. Crowdfunding platforms allow for smaller, more diversified investments. 4. Investing in dividend stocks. How it works: purchase shares of companies that pay regular dividends. Reinvesting these dividends can compound your returns over time. Why it works: dividend stocks provide a steady income stream, which can grow as the companies increase their payouts. This is particularly appealing for long-term investors. 5. Build a membership or subscription service. Examples: online communities, exclusive content platforms, subscription boxes, software as a service, SaaS. Why it works: membership and subscription models generate recurring revenue, creating a predictable and scalable income stream. This is effective in industries like education, entertainment, and software. Each of these passive income ideas requires an initial investment of time, money, or expertise, but once set up, they can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. I hope these passive income ideas have sparked some inspiration for your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, the key to financial freedom is taking action, so start implementing these strategies today and watch your wealth grow over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and strategies for building wealth online. As always, keep hustling, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video. This is the Digital Millionaire Club, signing off.